Hello everybody, we're back for another video and we're going to be talking about why your Honda's car brake fluid is low. So there's two reasons why your car brake fluid would be low on a Honda vehicle. The first is that your brake fluid is actually low, and the second is that your battery needs to be replaced. On the newer Honda models, they use an electronic brake fluid reader, and so it's possible that your brake fluid isn't actually low, and in fact, it's just your battery needs to be replaced. So before you do anything with your brake fluid, I would recommend testing your battery's voltage, seeing if it's low or if it's need to be replaced, and if it does, try replacing it first before you do anything with the brake fluid. If you tested it and it's fine and your brake fluid is still reading low, then pick up a bottle of DOT3 brake fluid from your local auto parts shop. DOT3 is the same brake fluid used across all the newer Honda models. Mine's a Honda Fit, but if you have a Honda Pilot, Honda Odyssey, CR-V, all of them should use DOT3 brake fluid. It's only about $6 at your local auto parts store. And once you have the DOT3, you're going to find the cap with this yellow symbol on it. It should be on the right side of your car for most of the Honda models. You're just going to unscrew it, and there's going to be a fill line that you can see there that you fill it up to. So, once you have filled it up to the fill line, then I would recommend also taking it by a mechanic, because your brake fluid was low for a reason. There's probably a leak, and you need to get that fixed. You need to get that looked at before you really start driving on this thing a lot. So that would be my recommendation. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments, and let me know if this works out for you.